There's been another very interesting development that has taken place today, which is what we're reporting on, which is essentially Kapil Sibal, who has spoken out about this verdict. Now, the Congress leader, in an interview to the Indian Express on the Bihar verdict, has questioned the Congress leadership. He says in this interview to the Indian Express, and I quote, "Maybe the leadership thinks it should be business as usual. We are yet to hear on the recent polls. Organizationally, we know what is wrong, but they are not willing to recognize those answers. If they don't recognize those answers, then the graph will continue to decline. Since there is no forum to express my views, I am constrained to express them publicly. For 6 years, the Congress has not introspected. What hope do we have for introspection now?" These are, of course, some of the observations that Kapil Sibal has made about the Bihar debacle. He has said this in an interview to the Indian Express. Karti Chidambaram has also tweeted saying it's time we introspect, ideate, consult and act, tagging the International Congress's Twitter handle. Now, the Congress sunk Bihar opposition alliance. This is what Tejasvi Yadav has said, according to Shivanand Tiwari, who targeted Rahul Gandhi for holding very few rallies. The Congress was widely blamed for dragging down the opposition coalition, the Mahagathbandhan in Bihar, having contested 70 out of the 243 seats, but taking home only 19.
देखिए, हम लोग सब इससे सहमत सभी लोग हैं कि भाई अगर जो परफॉर्मेंस हमारा बिहार में रहा है तो उसको देखते हुए जरूर उस पर चर्चा होनी चाहिए, बात होनी चाहिए। लेकिन ये मामला बिहार का है, कोई राष्ट्रीय मुद्दा नहीं है, ये राष्ट्रीय पार्टी का मुद्दा नहीं है, हमारे नेशनल लीडरशिप का सवाल नहीं है। जहाँ तक नेशनल लीडरशिप का सवाल है, उन्होंने पूर्ण सहयोग दिया। गलती हमारी है जो हम बिहार से बिलोंग करते हैं या जो हम बिहार के नेतागण अपने आप को कहते हैं, हमने उसका प्रॉपर ढंग से उसका इस्तेमाल नहीं किया। ये कमी हमारी है। हमने जो कहा है वो यही कहा है कि बिहार कांग्रेस से या बिहार के नेता या बिहार की जो जिम्मेदारी जिनके ऊपर थी, उन सब से बातचीत करके हम लोगों को किसी नतीजे पर पहुंचना चाहिए।
कांग्रेस जो है महागठबंधन के पैर में जंजीर बन गई। अब 70 उम्मीदवार कांग्रेस के लड़े और कांग्रेस ने 70 सभा भी नहीं किया। राहुल गांधी 3 दिन के लिए आए, 1 दिन में 2 सभाएं उन्होंने की, प्रियंका जी का दर्शन नहीं हुआ, या बिहार से अपरिचित लोग चले आए यहां। अब आज कांग्रेस पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता जो है सदाकत आश्रम में बैठ करके पार्टी के नेतृत्व पर आरोप लगा रहे हैं, तो ये ठीक नहीं है। और हमको ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ बिहार का ही मामला नहीं है, अन्य प्रदेशों में भी कांग्रेस पार्टी जोर इस पर ज्यादा देती है कि हम अधिक से अधिक सीट लड़ें, अधिक से अधिक सीट कैसे जीतें, इसमें कांग्रेस पार्टी असफल हो जाती है।
Well, we have with us on the broadcast Sanjay Jha, author and columnist. We also have Mayank Sinha, spokesperson and General Secretary of the RJD in Delhi, and Dr. Ashok Sinha, spokesperson of the BJP in Bihar, also continues to be with us. Mayank Sinha, let me come to you first. Is that the general feeling within the RJD that the Congress perhaps has played spoiler for the Mahagathbandhan?
देखिए, अब चुनाव के नतीजे आ गए हैं और चुनाव के नतीजे हमको शासनादेश के द्वारा हराया गया है। हम कुछ सीटों से हारे हैं और हमने मिलके साथ चुनाव लड़ा है और हमारे दोनों जितने भी दल थे, या CPI-ML हो या CPI हो या अन्य CPI की जो भी पार्टी थी वो, या कांग्रेस पार्टी थी या हमारी राष्ट्रीय जनता दल, सभी ने बहुत अच्छा कोऑर्डिनेशन किया था और हम मानते हैं कि हमने चुनाव जीता है। कुछ सीटों पर शासनादेश के द्वारा हराने का काम हम लोगों को किया गया है, इसलिए सरकार और जनता दोनों बदलाव के मूड में थी। सरकार बदलने के मूड में थी और जनता हमें लाना चाहती थी।
अगर बदलाव का मूड था तो क्या आपको लगता है कि कांग्रेस की परफॉर्मेंस की वजह से, क्या आप कांग्रेस को दोष देते हैं महागठबंधन की परफॉर्मेंस के लिए कि आप सरकार नहीं बना पाए? अगर कांग्रेस की कुछ और सीटें आ जाती तो शायद आपकी सरकार बन जाती।
उम्मीद थी कि कांग्रेस अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगी और इसी के चलते हमने 70 सीटें हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी के नेतृत्व में और तेजस्वी जी के नेतृत्व में देने का काम किया गया था। लेकिन कुछ कमियां हुई होंगी जिसके चलते कांग्रेस ने अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं किया। लेकिन अभी दोषारोपण करने का काम नहीं है। हमें बैठ के हार की समीक्षा करनी चाहिए, प्रत्येक सीटों का आकलन लेना चाहिए कि किस तरह से हो सकता है कुछ अंदरूनी आपको गुटबाजी के चलते कांग्रेस का परफॉर्म जो है कि वो खराब हुआ। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि हम लोग सभी लोग बैठ के
and there will be conclusions that will be drawn on the basis of that stock taking exercise. Sanjay Jha, Kapil Sibal in that interview to Indian Express today is pretty much, said it for what it is. This isn't the first time that we are hearing, senior leaders of the Congress party calling for introspection.
Well, I think Mayank ji is being very generous, but the fact is that the Congress party should have done better. I agree that, it is a closely fought election, that ultimately the vote share between the Mahagathbandhan and the NDA was a difference of just 0.3%. But in a first past the post system, the winner takes all. And to that extent, we'll have to concede that we have lost the election. Now, this is somewhere down the line, and I say so here with full responsibility. The Congress has been the national party. Till 1990, we were in government in Bihar. Jagannath Mishra was the last Congress chief minister there. And if you look at the history of Bihar, where I grew up, actually my early days were there, the Congress was the most formidable political party to be defeated. So I do believe that we have to worry that we have marginalized ourselves so much that even a good regional player in Tejasvi Yadav and the RJD, that instead of augmenting the votes, we could not contribute enough. Now, yes, we can argue. Yeah, go ahead.
No, go ahead. Finish what you were saying.
No, we can argue that the fight, was pretty close, and that the Congress party probably did not have some seats where it had a degree of local advantage. But these things happen in politics.
Yes,
you have to learn how to win.
Just to shift away from the analysis of the Bihar result and to just focus on what Mr. Kapil Sibal has said. And in that piece, he's actually said that we are yet to hear on the recent polls. It's been a week since the election results, and if there has been no communication within the party or no introspection within the party on what happened in Bihar, then those are Sanjay Jha very clearly, signs of trouble, of all not being well.
No, I think you are being equally magnanimous with us at the moment. I'll be frank. I mean, we did not just frankly lose Bihar as a critical alliance partner of the Mahagathbandhan. 70 seats were quite substantial, to be honest. We lost several deposits in Uttar Pradesh. We effectively now have handed over in a legitimate fashion the Madhya Pradesh government to the BJP. We got 0 in Gujarat. Please don't ignore that. These were seats held by the Congress.
Yes.
And you will remember that when Rahul Gandhi campaigned in 2018 end, I think, we were celebrating that this is going to 2017 end, that this is the Congress party bearding the lion in his own den.
But there are two or three very important observations from what Kapil Sibal has said. One is that he feels like he has to air his opinion publicly because there is no forum within the party to do so. And one has talked about all of these things in the past. He's also said that for the last 6 years, the Congress has not introspected, which explains the political graph or the trajectory of the Congress at the moment. Dr. Ashok Sinha, has just all of this that we're analyzing right now, whatever the Mahagathbandhan is saying, the fact that the Congress has performed so very poorly, has all of this just been advantage BJP at the end of the day?
Right.
Dr. Sinha?
But yes, it is advantage NDA, that is something else. But so far, the Kapil Sibal's statement is concerned, it's true that not only in Bihar, but everywhere, all through the country, as Sanjay Jha was telling, it has been crushed. And such type of performance is never expected from a national party who has ruled a country for 53, 54, 55 years continuously. So it is time to introspect. Only abusing Prime Minister Modi is not going to serve any purpose.
Okay.
So far Bihar is concerned, it's true that Congress was not provided proper seats. all those 70 seats, even on those seats, they were hardcore BJP and JDU seats. Even RJD would have been decimated on those seats. But anyway, Congress didn't campaign even, and they surrendered. This is very bad.
Mayank Sinha, do you agree that your alliance partner was just perhaps absent as far as, you know, ground level work campaigning is concerned? Shivanand Tiwari has pretty much called it for what it is. You know, he's listed out the number of rallies that Rahul Gandhi did. He's questioned Priyanka Gandhi's absence.
No, I'm not agree for this point. एक्चुअली देखिए कांग्रेस का जो 2015 में परफॉर्मेंस था उसमें उनको 6.7% वोट मिला था। इस बार हम कांग्रेस पार्टी को 9.48% वोट मिला है, तो वोट शेयरिंग में उनके परसेंटेज बढ़े हैं। हम ब्लेम कर देते हैं कि नहीं कांग्रेस ने अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं किया। हाँ, हमें अफसोस है कि कांग्रेस उम्मीद के हिसाब से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाई। जो हमें उम्मीद था कि हम एक्सपेक्ट किए थे कि कांग्रेस 35 से 40 सीटें जीत के आएगी। संगठन, हमारे संगठन के लोग उनको मदद कर रहे थे, उनके संगठन के लोग हमको मदद कर रहे थे। ये राष्ट्रीय लेवल का चुनाव नहीं था, और जितनी भी रैलियां हुई राहुल गांधी जी की, वो एक तरह से सक्षम था उतनी रैलियां। और हमारे वहां पर जो कमांडर थे वो तेजस्वी यादव जी थे। तेजस्वी यादव जी के नेतृत्व में चुनाव लड़ा।
डायनामिक्स में कोई रीथिंक नहीं होगा इस वर्डिक्ट को लेके?
नहीं, क्या कोई रीथिंक की बात नहीं है।
कोई रीथिंक की बात।
देखिए, चुनाव को हम लोगों ने बोला कि किन सीटों पे हम लोगों ने कैसे हारा है। कहीं 12 वोट से आ रहे हैं, कहीं 20 वोट से आ रहे हैं, कहीं 108 वोट से आ रहे हैं, कहीं 170 वोट से आ रहे हैं। तो ये जनता का जनादेश तो हमारे के साथ था।
ओके, well, that's a whole different issue altogether. But Dr. Sinha, you wanted to come in. Go ahead.
Yes.
Can I make a point?
He was quoting that Congress has got 9% of votes. It's not like that. In the 2015 election, they fought on 41 seats. That's why they got 6%.
Okay.
This time they have fought on 70
seats. Yes.
That's why their percentage of vote is more.
Okay. Sanjay
it's
Jha?
not that a strike rate has gone down.
Okay. Sanjay Jha?
Yeah, I want to add a point. Manoj ji is absolutely right. I think, this is a very civilized debate between three political parties. The other fact remains that we had a high strike rate in 2015 because the JDU was also on our side along with the RJD. But the larger point remains what Mr. Kapil Sibal articulated today, which is that the Congress party needs to be a lot more angry and agitated when it loses. You need to know how to make a comeback.
Yes.
The fact that we have been devastated, not just in Bihar, but across the country, we should go out and say why, at least prima facie, what seems to be the elementary fault lines within the party. What are the strategic, realizations for the party? The party needs to make a statement. In politics, the BJP has been losing for several years.
Yes.
And, what I admire about the party, I am a big critic of BJP's politics and ideology, but I have always admired it publicly that it fights back.
Well, I think that's been the sentiment among, yes, and I think that's been the sentiment among, a lot of senior Congress leaders who've spoken out very publicly, including that letter that was written, that, they need to stop accepting defeat with so much grace, or just stop accepting defeat and actually get more agitated perhaps about it. More introspection is the need of the hour. But having said that, it's a story that plays out every election. It's a story that has, now we've all gotten very used to this acceptance of defeat, few voices of criticism, and then it's business as usual. Either way, it's been an interesting election, and I think there is definitely, calls for introspection. It's not just the Congress, but also the alliance partner who believes that the Congress really needs to introspect. Thank you, gentlemen, very much for being with us.